Hi guys, welcome to this jazz piano tutorial. So in this lesson I'm going to be walking you through the chord sequence which I've just played you there, which is from Jamiroquai's Virtual Insanity. It's a really nice chord sequence. So I'm going to be walking through each chord individually and talking a bit about the chord voicings that we're using. So yeah, let's get started. So our first chord is an E flat minor 7, which would look like that in root position. So that's E flat minor 7. And we're going to play an inversion of that with the G flat on top. So these two notes here, B flat and D flat, we're moving down to the bottom. So we end up with that. So that's an inversion of E flat minor 7. Then we're going to a root position, A flat dominant 7th. So we're moving from there to there. So notice that the top two notes of this E flat minor 7 are going to stay the same when we move to the A flat 7. So only two of those notes move. So E flat minor 7, A flat 7. Our next chord is going to be an inversion of a D flat 9. So that's a root position, D flat dominant 9th. So we're going to play it here. So there's our 7th there, there's our 9th, there's our 3rd, and there's our 5th. So that's D flat 9. So we've gone from E flat minor 7 inversion, A flat 7 root position, D flat 9 inversion, and now we're going to a G flat major 7. So that's a G flat major 7 in root position. We're going to play an inversion with the G flat on the top, like that. So we've gone from D flat 9 there to G flat major 7. Now for the remainder of the chords, this G flat is going to stay as the top note for all the remaining chord voicings. So from our G flat major 7, we are going to go to a C half diminished chord, or a C minor 7 flat 5. So that's C minor 7 flat 5 in root position. We're going to play an inversion of that with G flat on the top, which means we just need to move the B flat down to there. So we end up with that. So that's C half diminished. So we've gone from there, G flat major 7. G flat stays as the top note to go to our C half diminished. So gone from there to there. Now we're going to a B major 7. So that's B major 7 root position. And again we're going to have G flat on the top. So we're going to play it like that. So there's the B major triad and the major 7th on the bottom. So all we actually need to do from the C half diminished chord is move the C down to a B. So C half diminished, B major 7. And our last chord is, this is a B flat 7 with a sharpened 5th. So that's a normal B flat 7. We just sharpen the 5th from F to G flat, and we're going to play this as an inversion with the G flat on top, which will give us that. So that's B flat 7 with a sharp 5th. So we've gone from there, B major 7 to B flat 7 with a sharp 5th. And then we go back, that takes us back to the beginning of the sequence. So we put all those chords together now and hear how it sounds. And then all we need to do to make it sound like the Jamiroquai track is to put the rhythm in. So that's the chord sequence from Jamiroquai's Virtual Insanity. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it helpful and have fun practicing it. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.